Hello, amazing viewers. If you're on a journey to shed those extra pounds, you're in the right place. Today, we're unveiling 5 specific foods that can be your best friends on your weight loss journey. No fad diets, no gimmicks, just real, wholesome choices to help you achieve your goals. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We're here to provide you with valuable wellness insights. Our journey to smart weight loss begins with a lean protein powerhouse, chicken breast. High in protein and low in fat, it can help you feel full, preserve muscle mass, and reduce overall calorie intake. Next up, we have eggs. These little wonders are packed with protein and essential nutrients. They can reduce appetite, making you eat fewer calories throughout the day. Plus, they're incredibly versatile in your recipes. Now, let's talk about chia seeds. These tiny seeds are mighty when it comes to weight loss. They're loaded with fiber and can absorb water, helping you stay full and satisfied. Time to explore the world of cottage cheese. It's a low-calorie source of protein that can be a filling snack or meal option, supporting muscle maintenance during weight loss. Saving the best for last, beans. Whether it's black beans, chickpeas, or lentils, they're packed with protein and fiber, keeping you full and helping control your appetite. And there you have it, 5 foods that can truly be your allies on your weight loss journey. Remember, it's not about drastic changes but making sustainable, nutritious choices in your daily meals. For more wellness tips and holistic health advice, please subscribe and connect with us. Your well-being is our mission. Here's to your successful and healthy weight loss journey. Until next time, take care and make those smart choices.